Good morning all. It's August the 17th, 2019. It is 6:50 in the morning. This will be your morning earthquake report. There was a 4.1 Indonesia at 138.5 miles in depth, 3.1 Hawaii, 27 miles west of Hawaiian Ocean View, Hawaii at 10 miles in depth, a 3.0 Romania at 43.4 miles in depth, a 4.3 Malaccan Sea at 6.2 miles in depth, a 4.2 southwest of Sumatra, Indonesia, that came in at 18.6 miles in depth, a 2.8 Kansas, 2 miles west-southwest of Hutchinson, they've got that at 3 miles in depth, a 4.6 Santa Cruz Islands at 42.8 miles in depth, a 4.3 near the coast of central Chile, that was 20 miles west-southwest of Coambo, Chile, and that came in at 18 miles in depth. A 4.7 Kuril Islands region, that came in at 33.3 miles in depth. A 2.0 Kansas, that was 1 mile west-northwest of South Hutchinson at 3 miles in depth. A 2.1 Kansas, 2 miles west of Hutchinson at 3 miles in depth. Now I've got 2 links here for you. The next one, USGS says there was a 4.6 Fiji Islands region, 22 miles south-southeast of Nodi, it's NDOI Islands at 374 miles in depth. The closest island they had was over 600 on the EMSC, so I'd be going with the USGS, I think, on this one, because they actually have one close enough. EMSC just says there was a 4.6 Fiji Island region, same mileage and depth. There was a 3.3 Iona Sea at 1.2 miles in depth, a 3.7 Sunda Strait, 10.5 miles in depth, a 4.3 Java, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth, a 4.1 Indonesia at 114.9 miles in depth, a 3.7 Northern Sumatra, at 8.6 miles in depth. Now, this one here from Iceland, they use the Iceland meteorological source. They've got it, EMSC's got it as a 3.0 Iceland at 0 miles in depth. I don't know if that's their preliminary or not, but you don't have an earthquake floating on top of the ocean, okay? So, last one but not least is a 3.1 Eastern Turkey at 4.3 miles in depth, alright? That's what we have. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. You have yourself a great day. 2 thumbs up for you. Please be safe out there.